How to verify your phone number on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then verify your phone number on Roblox. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. It is very easy to add and verify your phone number on Roblox. First, just make sure to update the Roblox app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store in a search box, typing in Roblox, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Roblox application, now I want you to go over and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, obviously you can see that this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is, in order to add and verify phone number, tap on the three dot icon which you see at the very bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three dot icon and come to this particular page, here you want to actually scroll down a little bit and find the option called settings. Once you tap on the option called settings, over here you want to go to the option that says account info, which is at the very top of the screen. As soon as you tap on the account info button, you will see this kind of interface. Now basically you'll also be able to find the option called add phone over here, so just tap on the add phone button. As you tap on the add phone button, you'll be able to simply enter the phone number that you would like to use for your Roblox account, and then a verification code or an OTP code will be sent to that particular phone number, so make sure you have access to that, and just like that you'll successfully be able to verify your phone number on Roblox. However, let's say for some reason that you're not being able to find that option. That could be happening due to multiple reasons. Let's say that you're simply not being able to find the Roblox phone number. It could mean that you've already added an email address to verify, or most likely your Roblox account is actually underage, so make sure that is not the case. But this is simply how you can go ahead and then verify your phone number on Roblox. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.